Okay, class 12. Today we will continue exercise 7.3. Exercise 7.3. So till question number 20 we already have done. Now today we will start from question number 21. So in question number 21 the question is sine inverse cos x. First we have to make it into standard form by using trigonometric identities. We know that sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. So sine inverse x equals to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. So here it is sine inverse x. Sine inverse x, x is cos x. So this equals to pi by 2 minus cos inverse cos x. Now we can cut cos cos. So pi by 2 minus x left. Now we can integrate. So therefore integration of sine inverse x, sine inverse cos x dx equals to integration of pi by 2 minus x dx. So pi by 2 is the constant. Now integrate dx only. Here minus integration of x dx. So this will be pi by 2. What is the integration of dx? It is x minus what is the integration of x? It is x square by 2 plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 21. Now move to question number 22. Question number 22. It is very important question. Question number 22. Now it is not in standard form. First we have to make it into standard form. So we have to balance first 1 by sine a minus b. Now inside the bracket here it is sine a minus b divided by cos x minus a cos x minus b. So this equals to 1 by sine a minus b now a minus b make it into x minus a, x minus b. So sine, we write here sine inside the bracket x minus b minus x minus a divided by cos x minus a cos x minus b. Okay, if you simplify this you will get this x cancel, so minus into minus is plus a, so this minus, so a minus b. Now put the formula of sine a minus b. Sine a minus b, what is the formula of sine a minus b? Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Cos a sine b, x minus b into sine x minus a. Sine a cos b, sine a minus b is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b divided by cos x minus a into cos x minus b. Now we have to separate 1 by sine a minus b. Now separate it. Sine x minus b into cos x minus a divided by cos x minus a into cos x minus b minus cos x minus b into sin x minus a divided by cos x minus a cos x minus b. So we can got here cos x minus a cos x minus a. Here cos x minus b cos x minus b cancel. So this equals to 1 by sin a minus b. So sin by cos is 10 x minus b minus here also 10 x minus a 10 x minus a. Now this is a standard form. Now we can integrate this function. Therefore integration of integration of 1 by cos x minus a cos x minus b dx equals to, we can take 1 by sin a minus b outside, a minus b, integration of tan x minus b minus tan x minus a dx. Now what is the integration of tan x? It is minus log cos x. Minus log cos x. So this equals to 1 by sin a minus b. So integration of tan x is minus log cos x x minus b. Here it is minus also. Minus into minus is plus log cos x minus a plus c. We know that log a minus log b is log a by b. So this equals to 1 by sin x minus b. This equals to log a minus log b is log a by b. It is log a by b. A is cos x minus a divided by cos x minus b plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 22. Now move to question number 23. Okay, question number 23 is sin square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x. So it is very simple. First we have to separate sin square x by sin square x into cos square x dx minus cos square x by sin square x into cos square x dx. This equals to integration. We can call sin square x, here cos square x. So 1 by cos is sec square x minus 1 by sin is cosec square x dx. So this equals to, what is the integration of sec square x? It is tan x. What is the integration of cosec square x? It is minus cot x. So minus into minus is plus. It is cot x plus c. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.